Hey, what is up guys? This is FNH Tutorial here, and today I'm going to be showing you how you guys can easily create a 10-hour video with very little work. Okay, so let's just get right into it. Alright, the two tools you would need is, first is called Handbrake. You can see I have it installed here, and the next one is called MKV Toolnix. Okay, this program right here. Okay, I'll leave a link to both of them down below, right, so you can just check the description. But this is the easiest way to create a 10-hour video. Okay, so first you want to open up Handbrake, right, and the video I'm going to be converting is this Skyrim video.mp4 is 10.3 megabytes. Okay, so let's open up Handbrake and choose file, choose folder. Right. I should actually do open a single file. I don't want to do batch. So here and now I have the Skyrim video open. So yeah, all right. So I rendered it, and if it didn't render properly, you see an error. That means the what do you call it? There was some error finding the file, or the file is not in the correct format. It's not an MP4. It's maybe something else. Okay. So the format is MP4. So the video. So what Handbrake is basically for is to basically lower the quality. Okay, so I have this video, right, it's 10 megabytes, and let's see, 1 minute, how long is it? It's 3 minutes. Okay, so if I have it for 10 hours, that's going to be really long. Okay, and the file is going to be really big, so obviously we don't want that. I'm going to lower the quality. Right, since the quality in this case, the video doesn't matter, it's mostly just an audio. Basically for this video I just have the audio in the background. Okay, so the video quality I don't want to make it too bad, but I'll leave it at 45. Okay, and the video codec, leave that. Frame rate I can do really low, right, I'll do 24. Okay, and the audio bitrate, you can lower that also to 112. Okay, so we have this video right here. Basically this is the only changes that I want to make. Okay, so I'll browse it, save as, in the same video I'll rename it to Skyrim video 2, save it there, and now I'll do start encoding. Okay, so it will encode. Yeah, so it's going to take a few minutes. I'll pause the video and I will continue when it is complete. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm back, and you can see the video over here. It's 2.7 megabytes, originally down from 10 megabytes. You can see the big difference over here, right? So now it's going to be a lot easier to duplicate, right? And it will be a lot easier to handle also. Alright, so the next one we want to open up is the MKV Toolnix. Okay, and I have the portable version, so it didn't really install on my computer, so that's why it looks like this. Or you can get the installer. I'll leave the link down below. That way it'll install on your computer and it will be easier to use. Okay, so I believe it's this one, or it's, okay, yeah, it's over here. And you want to take the video, so let me put the video on this side and this over here. Okay, so this, you want to basically just drag it here. Okay, I dragged it once. You want to drag it again and do append to an existing source. Okay, so basically it'll just append to the previous video. Alright, so you want to just keep doing that, right? And the thing with this is you have to keep track of how many videos it is and how long it is. Okay, so if I play this, you can see it's 3 minutes. So you can see the video over here. I really lowered the quality, right? So it's a lot less, and this is just for the video purposes. But if you want to obviously keep the quality good, you would have to set the quality to whatever range you want. Okay, so I changed the quality to even lower, right? So I did the lowest, so that's why it's really bad. Okay, and the frame rate is 25, so it's just really bad. But obviously if you want it longer, you will have to do it longer. Okay, so if you want it better quality, you would choose a better one, and the file will get bigger. Okay, so the video was 3 minutes, so we have 9 minutes here, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 minutes, and that is 27. All right, now we have 30 minutes here, and obviously you don't want to do this for 10 hours. Okay, so what would make sense is you want to do this, and then you want to, where's the scroll? Okay, so you want to change that to, I'll change that to 3. Okay, and you want to start multiplexing. Okay, and you can see over here, it's completed. It was pretty quick, 26 megabytes, right? And you can see the video is about 30 minutes long. Okay, so that was not bad. Now you want to just basically do that again, right? Just add it. So I already have 30 minutes from before, and now I added another 30 minutes, so we have an hour. And that's 1.5 hours, 2 hours, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5. So obviously it's 5.5, so I'll just do it here. I'll overwrite. So I don't want to overwrite it because I'm not sure whether it will mess up since it's using that file. Okay, so I will create 4. Let's see how big it gets. So you can see 300 megabytes, not bad for a 5-hour video, right? Oh, 5.5 hours, I should say. Right, and now since we have 5 hours here, so I'll delete an hour from here, right? I deleted 2 videos, and now I added this. I'll add this 5-hour one here, and I believe that should be 10 hours. Let's see. Oh, I think I overwrote it. Oh, okay, let me change the view. 4, 5. Let me just make sure this file didn't mess up. Okay, this was 5.5 hours. So I added it here already. Number 4, start multiplexing. And here's number 5. And let's see. So you can see this one it's taking slightly longer. I mean, it is a 10-hour video, so you can see it's around 600 megabytes, and the time is 10 hours and 47 minutes. Okay, not bad, right? So it says over here also. So 10 hours 47 is 5.5 hours. So that's really good. So I can obviously delete a half-hour video. So let me delete a half-hour video, and so yeah, I can just overwrite the 5 one. Okay, so now you can see that it is done, 10 hours 17 minutes, and let's play it, and you can see it's all here. Okay, so yeah, so but that's basically how you do it. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Make sure to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.